like scooty. It's from like a company called like R for rabbit. So let's unbox it. It's the envelope. It's from a message. It's written, "Welcome to Rabbit Family for making this amazing purchase. Baby cars, scooters, diapers, carriages, baby carriage, scooters, diaper, and baby crate." Now we will have to add this, but okay, so now we have to pull this. We have to pull this again. To pull this, so we are pulling this. Like this. Now it's looking good, but you can even change the sizes from here as well. Yes, and wait, you can't. You can, so just hold it up. You can change the size at any time. The sizes are also even good, so you can buy this on Amazon.com. Bye bye.
यहाँ से बच्चे लाते
It can make voices. It can make voices, but only on bubble. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and bye bye.